I'm working on getting this B4 Passat stripped the rest of the way down so I can get it out of the driveway. Just wanted to go over a little tip on how to deal with the shear bolts that hold on the steering column in, like I said, this is a B4 Passat. It's also the same for Mark III, Corrado, probably Mark II also. So you have these shear bolts that don't have a head on them. You could drill them out if you want. I've done it before that way. It's kind of a pain to drill it. Unless you used a left-hand drill, I would imagine that would work a lot easier on just kind of backing it out. But I don't have a left-hand drill here. You can get them out without it. This is one that I've already removed, and if you look, you can see there's a little bit of a notch on the top of it. So all you have to do is take a chisel and you put it right on the corner right there, and you just hit that way with a hammer, and you can see it actually turned a little bit because I worked this one out. Then once you do that, you can they're in there pretty easily. You can just back them out and you got your column out, and it's a good way to, some people pull the column to do the ignition switch. There's lots of other ways to do that. But yeah, that's how to deal with these kind of pain in the ass shear bolts. And then what you want to do is take something that fits. Once you're finished up, just take a bolt that fits, that has a head on it, and run it back in. This is a safety feature, so no one can just take your whole column out and then put a column in with a key that they have and take your car. So that's it. Just while I got it apart, I wanted to show it to you guys. So that's it for now.